Hakasin jam Bnai jingrap Shillong Tray kibana gajala Meghalaya ka Employees State Insurance Corporation ESIC hakapratrek yong Hajar arpun riu kalapun benaban Pynïar ya ka Social Security Scheme hakani gajala. Haba pentep yakani Shakilat Pathai Kubor Pranay Sinha Insurance Commissioner ka North East Zone Ulaong. Bagajing Shem yakani ka rai ka long Bnai jingrap habaya day bat ka koit ka kya bat kumjuru hakapisa tingka Shillong Tray bat shakibahayeng hasam jongki. Ulaong hado ganta ki bayo jing mentoy nagari ka scheme ki don kumba arpo pra Hajar ngot ie perkaban ai jing mentoy ya kumba iway point iway lak ngot ki brio da ka bakdo ba yakilat ai jing rap ha ka bay day ber ka kot ka khya ki paj ba kin la ban yo ling ba ki dispensary ki badan ha Shillong ba Berni hat ha ka ba na ka liang ka corporation ka don jing thmu ban bo shu ya ki dispensary ha Joai Tura nong ston bat ha kli riat Nolor kata Ulaong ru bagi nong tray ki baka mai arpoi Hajar tingka kila ban yo ekani ka scheme bat kila ban apply link ba ka online.
At ESIC is Employee State Insurance Corporation. This scheme is a social security scheme of Government of India, which was implemented in the year 1952, having been passed by the Parliament in the year 1948 itself. One of the first social security schemes of the country. Through this scheme, we have a partnership of center and state to protect the workers' interest and provide medical benefit to the workers and cash benefit to the workers. Cash benefits comprise of sickness benefit, maternity benefit, partial and full disablement benefits, and death benefit of the worker, for which dependent pension is given to the dependents of the worker who is deceased due to employment injury. ESIC is having coverage of 4.1 crore workers all over the country, and with beneficiaries covered under ESIC to the tune of nearly 16 crores. We have a network of 165 hospitals, 1500 dispensaries, and more than 800 branch offices to cater to the needs of the workers, so that we are able to reach to them and give them best possible benefit of ESIC scheme. As regards Meghalaya, we have in implementation of the scheme since 1980, when it was first implemented in East Khasi Hills. Later on, it was implemented in Kyrwoh district. Last year, November 1st, we got it implemented in 6 new districts of Joai covering West Atiar Hills, Tura covering North, South, East, West and Southwest Garo Hills. This was implemented from 1st November 2025. From 1st April 2026, we have got ESIC implementation in the state of Meghalaya in Nongstoin, West Khasi Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, East-West Khasi Hills, and Kyrwoh covering East Atiar Hills. So now from 2 districts implementation in up to last year, we have covered all 12 districts of Meghalaya. So ESI scheme starts implemented in the whole state of Meghalaya now. So we have to plan with the cooperation of the press, with the cooperation of the government, so that this scheme is implemented in a smooth fashion and we are able to give benefit to all the workers of the state. For giving benefit to the workers of the state, the basic criteria is the workers should be covered within the wage ceiling of 21,000, and employer having worker working with them for 10 or more workers, they have to get themselves registered with ESIC mandatorily, because this is a government parliamentary act. And ESIC is a autonomous body under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. All this implementation and these developments, so fast development, are because of our Honorable Labour and Employment Minister, Sri Mansukh Mandavia, who had a clear vision given to us that ESIC needs to be implemented in all the districts of the country, so that ESIC is able to cater the benefits of medical as well as cash benefit to the workers within India. So in line to this, you can see in last 6 to 8 months, we are able to come from 2 implemented districts to 12 districts, thus implementing in whole of Meghalaya. Apart from this, as a measure for giving better secondary care because we have a already system of 165 hospitals. Apart from this, we have around 18 medical colleges also which has come up under ESIC. So one hospital land has already been provided by the state government to us here in Shillong itself, where a new hospital will come up. Just handing over of land is we are awaiting from state. Then the work for construction will start. So that will be a great support to the workers of the state because they will have their own hospital here. One more benefit, major benefit I would like to explain to you. This IP ward benefit is there in medical colleges. ESIC is having more than 1,000 seats right now, which will increase further, in which there is seat reserved from NEET quota, NEET UG examination for MBBS, seat reserved for the children of the ward of the IPs. Workers' children, if they even perform lower than the rank required for admission in this MBBS colleges, they can get advantage of getting admission in ESIC medical colleges through a lower number because there will be competition amongst the workers' children only. This is a great advantage given to ESIC. So apart from this, the other initiatives is that we are going to open some more branch offices. In some districts we are missing, a new district. First we have to go for survey and implement, and we have to extensively advertise so that all the employers get themselves registered with ESIC so that no benefit is denied to the workers working for them. That is our main criteria. And then we are also working for extending this camp office. This camp office was also formed only 1.5 years back. So after formation of camp office, we have a senior officer sitting here so that the work of within the state can be completed from here, most of the work, and for some work they have to go to Guwahati. But right now there is a already initiative for upgrading this camp office to sub-regional office. We are expecting that it will also come up shortly. When it comes up, we will have a big office here so that we can give better service to the workers and the employers, all the stakeholders of the state. This is the present position.
Can you tell us
all over India, we have all over Meghalaya, we have right now 28,263 workers covered under us, and 1,982 employees are covered. That needs to be, I think, as per the projection, it should cross 50,000. For that, we have to work hard and we have to give better service and extend our presence everywhere. Actually, since it was in 2 districts, only people were aware there. You can see out of 28,000, nearly 20,000 are in East Khasi Hills only. Because this means that it is well known to people here. But similarly, around 5,000 are in Riboi. So, similarly, in the new implemented districts, we are sending our social security officers and their inspectors to meet the employers, tell them to and encourage them to get themselves covered under ESIC. So slowly, and we are also going for awareness camps, preventive health checkup camps in the dispensaries and DCBOs so that people come to know about ESIC and more people are registered. Ultimately, by mandate, they have to do it, but we are not forcing right now. So we are requesting people to come up. For that, advertisements also, it has been issued also, and follow-up advertisement will be there. We'll have hoardings and mega campaigns also, mega awareness camps also, where many employees, bigger employees will be called and they will be requested. So we are planning to increase this coverage. This is Jovai Tura, this is implemented in 1st November only. So number is very low right now. Jovai, we had a health camp also, na, shortly.
Yeah.
Kab hua tha? When it was that?
First one was in the month of July. Health checkup camp was there.
So before implementation, we
in the
started
month
health
of-
checkup, and then in the month of October also, and right now some people were got
In the month of
themselves
February.
checked up also in February. So we are trying to through.
So Johan, our total employer 52 to 105 employees.
So 205 employees are right now registered in Jovai. So this number has to increase. It has to. I think the target should be at least 3,000, 4,000 in each district. This is what we plan.
Is that
Riboi to dispensary is there. That is the settled district. I don't think Riboi there is much of a problem. Riboi and East Khasi Hills, it is settled. People know. But for other new implemented districts, we have to extensively campaign so that all people know because once the people know the benefits that we have, they will certainly try to come because it is a real social security protection. Maternity, it is the maximum, around 80% of the cash benefit goes in maternity also. This means females are more aware.
Highest in Northeast.
Are the highest in Northeast. So they are taking that because full 6 months salary is given with leave, full leave. Employer cannot call them.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi Pynïar kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakambha kajing im bakambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.